So as you see in this pyramid here, the level that we expect our students to be productive or to gain some knowledge in the course depends on the level of the course. For example, if you are doing some lower division course, then you don't want your students to, for example, create a whole project as something happens in a senior design course. And the reason is that that is like the lower division course, and then the goals or the outcome that we expect are probably as good as if the students can define some specific theories, or if they can define or describe some specific principles. And then as the level of the course goes up, considering the content, of course, we expect to see more actionable kind of outcomes. And then there are different ways to measure those outcomes. So one of the big things that needs to be done for designing or redesigning the course is to make sure that first, what are our expectations? What do we want our students to get from this course? And also how we want to get it out of them. What are the different tools or different assessment tools that we are going to use? And then how do we create a tie between the lectures that we have, like weekly lectures and material, and then create like a whole plan to do that.